guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chucha. If you're new here, welcome to my boss ass channel. In today's video, as you can see by the title, we're gonna be talking about what it's like to live with your significant other. In this case, I have a boyfriend, so what it's like living with your boyfriend. Stay tuned and I hope y'all like this video. But yes, bitch, my hair. We're not, you know, my hair, bitch. Bye. You know, my health. You look at my health. It's kind of dry, but the only product I have in my hair right now is conditioner. You know, and like. I have been with my boyfriend for almost a year now. A year and some change. The way I never really like talked about it because I feel like it's just stupid. Everybody has their own different views on things, and this is my view on it. So yeah, my face is very red right now because like I don't know, man. Like the lighting is making me look very, very pale. So let me just, yeah, it's like a learning experience basically. You're never really ready to like move on to something like that. For me, it was kind of like a decision where we both agreed on it. I started living with him when I was 18 and I'm 19 now. It's been pretty rough. It's had our ups and downs, of course. What relationship doesn't, right? So I don't know, it was pretty cool at first. And towards the middle, you start to get annoyed at each other, start to get mad at each other. It gets annoying, like it gets really fucking bad. I'm talking like to a point where you guys think like you guys are gonna be done. And the thing is about that is that it really tests your real relationship and like how strong you guys really are. Because most relationships would break up like after like so many arguments. But if you learn to like actually talk things through, try and change your ways about things, everything turns out fine. And there are days where you get bored of each other, where you just don't want to look at each other, where you just had enough of each other, which is normal. And most people, they get annoyed from that and they think, oh my god, you know, like he doesn't like me, he doesn't love me anymore. And it's not that. It's just the fact that like you do get tired of seeing the same person every single day. Like it's not the same as, oh, you know, I see you sometimes after school or like on the weekends and shit. Totally different. You see each other 24/7, wake up next to each other, sleep, eat, shit, pee, shower, brush your teeth, everything. Like I'm telling you, yeah guys, I don't know what's going on with my nose, but you tend to like have, you know, your doubts, your worries, your concerns. Of course, everybody does. You find out things that you don't want to find out. Secrets get spilled, you know, things happen, you know. We're human, it happens. It's just a learning process. You get the moments of love and caressing. Being so honest with you, if it's annoying. Somebody here? Somebody here? Good. Whatever. And then like this whole like, you know how you get like sweaters and clothes from your boyfriend when you guys are first starting to date? You're like, oh my god, my boyfriend's sweater. Oh my god, my boyfriend's shirt. Bitch, I'm wearing my boyfriend's shorts right now. I wear his clothes all the time. Just, you don't get that excited anymore because you're always with him. And there's times where you have, you know, those times where they're like, oh, you gotta get out my crib. Oh, I'm kicking you out. No, that's obviously gonna happen. You know it's gonna get annoying. You're gonna feel like shit. You're gonna feel, you know. But as long as you actually like step back, when you take a breather and you just go for a walk or like go to your friend's house, do something, occupy yourself for a few, you come back and you think, I had an outburst, I really do want something with this person. You grow from it basically. I know this is different from like all the other videos I usually do, but I see this, my friends on Facebook and Instagram and shit like that, they tend to move out of their cribs right after high school and they think, oh, I'm grown, I can do this. I'm gonna tell you something, it's hard. Like it really is hard. It's not like I don't like it, but times where I feel like, damn man, like if I was living with my mama, like everything would be so much easier. She would do this for me, she would do that for me. Learn certain things, you try new things. Yeah, you know, freedom is fun, freedom is great. That was me at first, like when I first moved to my parents' house. Let's do this, let's do that, party this, party that, whatever. Smoking, drinking, whatever. They would not condone that in their house. You step back and you start to realize a whole lot of shit. Shit that you never thought you'd do, shit that you never thought about. Like I know there's certain things that I'm missing in this video, but I just don't want to touch on certain things. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah. And like, it's pretty fun because, you know, you guys are with each other every day. Yep, I live with my mans. I think that, you know, it's okay to live with your parents until you're ready, until you're like 25. Sometimes you think you're ready, but you're really not. And that could lead into a lot of bad feelings. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, for a moment, I was very stressed out. I was very upset with myself. You still need to talk to your parents at the end of the day. My parents do help me out a lot. Like, I'm talking a lot. I'm very fucking grateful for that shit, because most parents, they just bye, you know, 18 years, goodbye. You know, and I still talk to them. I go over, you know, we talk about things. You don't need a reaction for everything you do, you know what I mean? Most people, they post so much about their life in social media, and they wonder why people talk so much shit about them. Like, you post everything that happens in your life, but then again, you don't want anybody in your business. What? I'm not saying you don't have to post it. Like, you know, I don't really post my boyfriend as much as I used to. You grow, you know? Me and my boyfriend made 2 years, like 2 fucking years. Beginning of something new. Life chances are important, and I feel like if you don't take risks and if you don't take like challenges for yourself, you're never really gonna know what you're really capable of. And it's weird because I never would have thought that I'd be in the position that I am today. But I'm kind of thankful for the storms that I've been through. I'm just so proud of myself. Like, I make sure that I tell myself every fucking day that I'm proud of myself. It's super important that you have your self-confidence. That's just me, but it's very important that you congratulate yourself even when you do things and you wish that, like, you know, people would notice. You just gotta make sure that you do what you do for yourself. Make sure you put yourself first at all times, no matter what. Another thing is, I got my 500 subscriber giveaway winners. But one of them, her name is Adriana. Her and I think another girl, her name was Jazzy. I don't know if I can know. I got her Facebook right here, and I got Adriana's Instagram right here. Congratulations to those 2 ladies, and if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed.